Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance Perfect. The song is Perfect for me. The artist is Jamal Roberts and the choreography is Alicia Taylor Williams. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. And as a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instructions, check out the choreographer, and I'll post mine at the end of this video. And let's get it.
Perfect, perfect perfect for me, perfect for me. The way you hold me, the way you look at me, it's all that's inside of my memory is you. You complete me, baby.
And there you go. Perfect. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Perfect.